pound cake. Who doesn't like pasta? Who doesn't like cake? I love both, so I'm gonna make pasta pound cake. What? It's really, really fun, it's easy, and you're using a whole pound of pasta, and you can use it for birthdays, holidays, Mondays. First off, you're gonna need some eggs, because you need to bind all that pasta together. And then you're gonna give that a quick little whisk, break up the yolks. Make sure you really break it up. Otherwise, when it bakes up in the pan, it's gonna have little chunks of egg. Then you're going to add some Parmigiano Reggiano, and then some Pecorino, little seasoning, some salt for flavor, and some pepper. Also, don't forget you already cooked your pasta with salt water, and the cheese has salt, so be mindful of the salt. Kind of looks like cake batter. I'm just using good old regular pasta. If you want to use whole wheat or all those fancy pasta, go right ahead. I would say stick with the long pastas like fettuccine, spaghetti, bucatini. Make sure you fully coat this. Now, I'm going to put it into a kitchen favorite, a butt pan. I sprayed very, very generously because otherwise it's going to get stuck and you're not going to be able to serve your cake in this. It's going to be a scoop and it's not ideal. Make sure you don't get it in the hole. The great thing is you can squish it down so it will fit. Don't worry about it. It's kind of like a carbonara right now. You just add some bacon. Okay, so you're going to squish this down. I'm going to bake this at 425 for 20 minutes. This is faster than how long you would bake a cake.
Hey, what do you got there?
A cool bunt. A cool bunt filled with pasta. I took it out of the oven. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna pop it on my cake stand. Now we're gonna decorate it because it's not a real cake unless you have frosting. So I'm gonna do a nice creamy cheese sauce. This is cheddar. And then we have some marinara over there. So you have two options. You want this to be a nice consistency similar to this. Great tip is when you're trying to drizzle with something, always use the tip of your spoon. That's control. I mean, if I see pasta chains serving this, just tag me. You want to go nice and slow. I'm gonna get that nice iconic bunt drizzle. All right, now let's get the sprinkles on. Just some shredded parm. And how about a vegetable? Some basil. And there you have it. Pasta pound cake. Get creative, have fun. Let me know what you want to do with your pasta pound cake. Let's slice into this. The bottom will be a little tricky because the pasta is a little crunchy. Just make sure you have a sharp knife. Boop, 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 boop. That's one thing tricky about stringy pasta. Manga.